How to delete now memories on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can delete your TikTok now memories. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. It is really simple to delete the TikTok Now. So first of all, just make sure you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok Now app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in TikTok Now, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the TikTok Now app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So let's say that you want to delete it from the memories, which is basically your TikTok Now. In order to do that, first come to your profile page from the bottom right corner, and right over here you'll find the option called the memories. So tap on memories over here, and as you go to memories, you'll be able to see all of the now that you have ever posted on TikTok. So just go ahead and select the one that you would like to delete over here. As you can see, let me just choose this one for example. So in order to delete it, what I will do is just tap on the three dots which you see on the very top right hand side of the screen. As you do that, at the bottom you'll be able to see multiple options. Just select the option called delete. Now right over here you can select delete this now, delete and retake, or delete it. So you can just select delete this now or the delete button over here. As soon as you do that, you can just go ahead and tap on the delete button and confirm the changes, and this is simply how you can delete your now memories on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.